How to create a USA Gmail account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a USA Gmail account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So creating a USA Gmail account is not different than creating a new Gmail account. All you have to do is go through the same account creation process. So head over to your Google Chrome, tap on the profile icon on the top right, and tap on add another account. After you tap on it, you can then create an account. You'll see create account option right here. Tap on create account and choose for if it's for your personal use, for your work, or your child. I'll tap on my for my personal use, and after doing that, simply choose your name. So type in your name, tap on next again, then type in your month for your birthday. So just choose your month and choose your year, choose your gender as well. So let's do that and tap on next. Now go through with this process. You can choose your mail, tap on next. So yeah, make sure that you choose a really unique email. So this is gonna be my Gmail, and then choose a password. So yeah, make sure that you choose a really strong password here as well, and then tap on next. So let me do that again. After you do that, you can add a recovery email if you want, or simply skip it. Tap on next, and doing that, simply scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and after you've done that, your Gmail will start getting created. So wait while it gets created, and there we go, it's already done. So you can tap on it here and you can see that you have just created your Gmail account. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks. Bye bye. Take care.